Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 9 of 45 days DAX challenge. In this video, I'll discuss some function in Power BI DAX. If you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Be with me till end of this video, be with me till end of 45 days DAX challenge. I promise you will have clear understanding of each and every function which I am going to discuss for next 45 days. Fine. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see some function in detail. So first, if I tell you the definition, what is sum? So it's very easy DAX function in Power BI, okay, and it returns total of all the numeric value in a column. Simple. So it will return sum of that total value of a particular column, and remember the data type should be numeric, or you can say whole or decimal, and it will ignore blank. Okay, so if I go to table view and I explain, let's say I want to calculate total amount, okay, total amount of sales table. So you can see the data type of amount is whole number, okay, and if I look at here category, here data type text. So if I change, let's say data type of whole number to text, then what will happen? Some function will not work properly. Okay, so you have to make sure that the data type should be either whole number or decimal. So how we can do is I'll go on home and we'll click on new measure. Okay, so the name of the measure, let's say I'll say total amount. So we have to use sum of what? Sum of amount, column of sales table, so sales of amount. And see, sum is asking for only one argument, that is column name, like which column you want to add. So I want to add amount column of sales table, that's why I have taken amount here. Okay, see, we got like total amount measure. What I'll do is I'll click on this card and we'll drag this total amount into drag, and here I'll change this display unit to none. So what will happen? It will give the exact amount, that is nothing but 2,51,797. Okay, so if you will add all this, you will get the exact amount matching to 2,51,797. Fine, I hope you understood some function. We will discuss more function in upcoming videos. Till then, take care.